How many ways, guys? HTML, CSS integration, how many ways? Yesterday I told you, right? How many ways you can integrate with HTML? Three ways, right? How many ways? Three ways. Okay. First way, inline CSS. Second one చెప్పాలి. సెకండ్ వన్ ఏం చెప్పాం మనం? ఇంటర్నల్ సిఎస్ఎస్. థర్డ్ వన్ ఎక్స్టర్నల్ సిఎస్ఎస్. చూడండి, మనం నిన్న డిస్కస్ చేసినప్పుడు ఏమున్నాయి? ఇన్లైన్ సిఎస్ఎస్, ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఇంటర్నల్ సిఎస్ఎస్ అండ్ ఎక్స్టర్నల్ సిఎస్ఎస్. గైస్ ఇవే కదా మనం నిన్న చెప్పుకుంది. గైస్ నో వన్ ఈజ్ రెస్పాండింగ్. My voice is okay, guys. So first one, inline CSS. Inline CSS means, guys, how we can integrate the CS styles with HTML. Yesterday I have told you, right? In HTML page itself, for every tag, suppose for example I have p tag is there. Okay, in my p tag, okay, I have some content. Welcome to CSS wall. So if I have applied any style here, then it will be considered as inline CSS, because in the particular tag itself we are writing the styles, right? style, style, like that. Style is equal to, inside that style we can write, how we can write, text align. Text align is equal to center, okay, and color is equal to red, like that. If we apply this one, okay, if we apply like this within the tag itself, if we apply the styles, then we can call it as inline CSS. Okay, you got it right, guys? 1 minute, guys. So second one, guys, second one, what? Internal CSS. Internal CSS means, guys, we have inside that one, right? Inside header tag, inside header tag, uh, from the previous classes, what we have observed here, we have written only title tag, right? Title tag only we have written until now. Okay, so inside title we are giving some title, sample, like that, sample HM, like that, we are giving the title. Okay, so here inside the header tag, inside the header tag, what we can do, we can write here itself, what we can write here, style. Okay, we can open the style tag here, and we can close the style style tag like this. Okay, after that, in the header tag below we can write body tag, right? Body tag, and we are closing the body tag. Okay, so within the body tag, in general tags we will write general tags, what? P tag. Okay, I'm closing the p tag. Within the p tag we can write something same, like welcome to CSS world. So what we have done, if we write any styles here within the tag, then we can call it as inline CSS. But now what we are discussing, internal CSS. Internal CSS means no need to write the styles here. Then what are the styles we are going to write, the those styles and all, right? We can mention we can mention in this place. See, right? I just copy this one. Text align center, color red. I'm just copying this one and I'm just pasting here. Okay, but what we need to do, we need to mention for what tag, for which tag we are applying these styles, which tag, p tag. So I need to write p here, open bracket, close bracket. See, so what we are doing here, what are the styles we are writing here in the inline tag, those styles and all we are we just cut that style, and within the style tag, within the style tag we are applying those styles. So what, for the what purpose we are doing, we are separating styles part and html part. So later we have write h1 tag and we are closing the h1 tag here like this, some h1 content. We have written some h1 content. So h1 no need to write here, no need to write the style here. Where we can write, here we can write h1 and again open bracket and close bracket. Within the h1 tag, what are the styles we are going to apply now, those styles and all we can apply here. Color, color blue. So see, see just what is it, what happened here, we have applied the styles text align is the text align colon center. Second style red, we can give enter like this. Color red. So for p tag, if we write text align is equal to center and color colon red like this, and for h1 tag we have applied color is equal to blue. So see what is happening in the internal CSS. Internal CSS, what is happening, guys? We have separated the style part from the HTML part. Okay, so it will be clear now. So we are not disturbing any tags in the HTML. What are the, what we have done, we have just copied that style part and we have mentioned those styles in the header tag. Clear? Clear, guys? So you got understand, right? Internal CSS and inline CSS, guys need to respond. One is responding, whether it is understanding or not. Sita, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Tell me,
But
it
it's
is understanding.
confused.
Confused. Where you have confused? Just tell me that one. So you got it inline CSS, right? Inline CSS means in the tag itself. What are the tag we are going to apply the style? Within the tag itself, we can write the styles. Like how? By using the style attribute. Style is equal to, what are the styles we are going to apply? Text align colon center semicolon, color colon color colon red semicolon. If we are going to apply anything styles, so we can apply here. Next, this is inline CSS. How we can call inline CSS? Because within the tag itself, we are applying the styles. Next one, internal CSS. Internal CSS means what? So we are separating the styles from the HTML part and we are keeping those styles in the head tag. So this is internal CSS. Okay. Third one, external CSS. External CSS means what, guys? External CSS means what? Same file. I am just copying here. Okay. I don't want to keep this style part within the head tag also. First, we have right in the tag itself. Second, we are cut that style and we are putting into header tag. Now what I am going to do, I don't want style here. I don't want style here. Okay, now what I will do, I just copy this code. I just, what are the styles I am applying, I am just cutting this code. Okay, what I will do, here I will open separate file css style.css. Okay, within this file I will keep this code styles code. This is the only style code, right? Whatever I'm applying the styles for the tags and all, I'm keeping here in the separate file. See, this is not there. Now what we need to do? We are separating the style part from the HTML page. But how we can connect both these? How we can connect both these files? This is the HTML file and this is the style.css file. Now we need to link both files, right? So we need to here write the link tag. Link tag open and link tag close. Okay. So within the link tag, we have two attributes. One is rel. Rel means what type of file. What type of file? This one, style sheet. Okay. And link. Link tag, link for link. What we are giving, guys, in HTML, href. Href. We need to give there. So if we are creating any folder, in the sense, we need to give that folder name slash that file name. Now, if you are not creating any folder, then we can directly give that file name itself, style.css. Suppose, for example, I have created one folder named CSS. Within the CSS file, CSS folder, I will keep all these style.css files. Then I need to give first folder name slash that file name. If I don't want to create any folder, if I give directly within the same location of HTML page, then I can give like this style.css. Okay, guys, got it now? So just we will run that. Already yesterday we have created 3 files and we have applied all these styles now. Got it? Do we need to try one more time or not required? We'll try. Guys, do we want to try one more time? This all these styles and all are not required.
Not required.
Not required, right? Yesterday we have already created. See, this is the CSS intro.html first type. What is then? Inline. See what are you applying for body tag. Within the body tag itself, we have write the style done. For h1 tag, we have write the style. For p tag, we have write. So this is the inline CSS applying. So okay, we will run this one CSS intro. From today onwards, we will integrate both CSS and HTML and we will write the programs. And today, I will integrate JavaScript also. From now onwards, we will write the HTML code by using the CSS and applying JavaScript and see all these 3 combinations. We will learn all the topics and all. Okay. So this is slowly injecting the topic into your minds. Okay, I'm not going to deep, but I will slowly give inject that topic into your minds. Okay, today I will integrating HTML with the CSS and the JavaScript also. That also I will explain today. Okay, so first one, this one is CSS intro.html, right? Where it is there, D drive HTML course CSS intro.html. So now I am going to there, D drive HTML course CSS intro, and this one I'm running now. Open with Google Chrome. See, welcome to CSS. What we have applied, guys. First one, background color light blue, text align center, font family Vardhana. So body, first see body styles whether applying or not. Background color light blue. Okay. Text align center. Center came both texts. And the second one more tag, what is that one? Font family Vardhana. See, font family also Vardhana came. That's it now. So first, it is understandable, right? Inline CSS, it is understandable. Second one, CSS intro 2.html. See what we have done here. As I explained, we are separating the style from tags, and we keep that style code into the head part. See, I have read the style tag, and for body, same style I am applying here, h1 tag color. So if we run this one, Technosoft CSS intro.html, if we run this file also, okay, if we run this file also, it will be work like same thing, because same styles we are applying now. So same output it will come. See, CSS intro.to html, but same styles applying. Okay, this is same and this is same, styles and all applying same, but different way. This is inline CSS way and this is internal CSS way. Okay, next third one, CSS intro3.html. Now see what we are doing. We have separated style part into the another file. See, we have removed that style code, and where we are writing that one, where we are writing in the CSS folder. In the CSS folder, we have created one more folder, CSS folder. Within the CSS folder, we have created one file, style.css. See, first we will go to that particular location, that particular HTML file location, where it is there, D drive, HTML course, Technosoft, CSS intro.html. So now first what need to do, we need to go here, D drive, HTML course, Technosoft, CSS intro 3. Okay, HTML file is located here. Then what we need to do, we need to give link to the style file, where it is located. Within the CSS folder, we have created style.css. See, now I am opening this file with Notepad++. I think already it is there, right? Already I have opened this one, correct? Huh? See, so body tag, h1 tag, p tag, all the styles I have written in the separate file, CSS folder style.css. Okay, now I have given that link, guys. See, in the link tag, okay, relation type style sheet, okay, href CSS folder style.css. Now I will run this HTML code. Technosoft, where it is there, CSS intro 3. Right click on that one, open with Google Chrome. See, same styles we have applied now. So see, all these files, same styles, but different ways. Inline CSS, internal CSS, external CSS. Got it, guys? Clear, right? So here onwards, we will use the only external CSS way. We will skip these two ways, because in the real time we will always use like this way, and this way we are not using in the real time. For just learning purpose, I have explained both the ways, but in the real time we will use this way only, that is third way, external CSS, by separating the style part into the another file. Got it, guys? Got it? Respond. Okay, done. Okay, now we have integrated the style CSS part. Now I am going to integrate with JavaScript. How we can integrate JavaScript, and what is the purpose of JavaScript? I already explained earlier. For what purpose we will use JavaScript, guys? For front end validations. Okay, and passing the input parameter values to the server side. Server side means the technology is there, right? Java, PHP, backend technologies. So by using this HTML page, we will first we will do the front end validations, and later, if all the validations are successfully satisfied, then we will pass those input values to the backend language, Then backend language, what it will do? It will take that values and it will integrate with database technologies. In the database technology, there will be tables. So what it will do? So database technologies, what it will do? It will store that information into the tables. Okay. So now I will explain how we can integrate the JavaScript. Okay, guys. So this is the third program, right? CSS intro.html. Now I will copy this one. I'm pasting here. I will create new file. Technosoft. Here I will write html js.html. Some sample file. HTML JS integration, same like, okay. Save. Now what we are going to do? We need to write JavaScript now. Here, see. First I will write one form tag. Form tag. Okay. I am closing form tag. Okay. So within the form tag, what we need to write, guys? What is the attributes? Two attributes I have explained, right? What is that? Action is equal to some sample.html. So what is the purpose of this action attribute? If we click on that one, if we click on that submit button, then it will redirect to the sample HTML. But if you are applying the JavaScript, first it will go to the JavaScript and it will validate all the code in the JavaScript. Then it will move to the action page. Okay. Next method get. Okay, right? Then now I will write here input type is equal to text. So hereafter, guys, earlier I have explained, right? What is the attributes here? Name is equal to username. Okay, and placeholder is equal to enter username. Okay, next. Okay, I will close this input tag. Okay, after that I will apply break tag. Okay, see here I need to write one more tag attribute, that is ID. Guys, carefully listen this one. I am applying new attribute, that is ID. Here I will write USR, user. USR. What is the purpose of ID? ID means what, guys? Identity. So for this particular field, what is the identity? What is the name? User. For us, how we are identifying by using the Aadhaar card. So same like for this field, it will be identified with USR. So if you are applying same identity with another field, then it will throw the error. So we can't apply the same ID name with another field. Okay, right? For this purpose, we will specially mention this ID attribute. Okay. Now I will write directly input type is equal to submit. Okay. Next value submit, submit. That's it. I will close the input tag. Okay, na? I am saving this file. Now first I will run this JavaScript file. Where now I will run this new file. Where it is there, guys? HTML JS. Open with Google Chrome. So see, welcome to CSS. Hello guys, enter username, it is came. Okay, now we didn't apply any styles. So without applying any, we didn't apply any JavaScript code. So without applying JavaScript, what will be happen? If I click submit, simply it will rewrite to the sample.html. Correct. Now we will apply JavaScript code. Okay. For this JavaScript code, guys, first I will write what I will write. First, same like I will explain internal JavaScript applying. Internal JavaScript applying. For internal JavaScript, how we can write script script. Okay. Control D. Script tag I am closing. See, script tag I have opened, script tag I have closed. If I have write JavaScript code within the script tag in the head tag, then it will call the internal JavaScript code applying. First, we will try internal JavaScript code applying. Then we will see external JavaScript code applying. Okay. Okay. So see script.document.html. What we need to do, guys? My task is like whatever I'm typing here, whatever I'm typing here. Okay. If I click on this one, then that name should be come into the pop-up box. Then that name should be coming to the pop-up box. That is my task here now. So for this one, what I may need to do here first what is that? DOCUMENT document dot, guys, this will be treated as document in the JavaScript. Okay, this will be treated as one document dot get element by id. Okay, see what we are doing, document. So this is the one document which is the whatever we have applying within the body, that and all will be considered as document. Okay, so within the document, what I'm doing, document dot get element by ID. Which ID? Tell me which ID? USR. This is ID name, right? So particular field. What we need to do? This is the we have field. For this field, we have mentioned one ID. So that ID name we need to give here user dot dot value. Okay, whatever the value we are typing, that value we are taking that value, and so we have considered that value. Then what we need to do, we need to create one variable where user name is equal to, see guys what we have done. First, from the document dot get element by id, which id, this field id, dot whatever we are applying that text, that value. So that value we are assigning to the one variable var means variable, that variable name is username. So whatever we are typing, that value will be assigned to the this variable. Now simply I will give alert username. Okay. Okay guys, done. Next, what we need to do, we can't directly apply this one. When it will become, when it will become, right? When it will become, after we will type something named Nageswara. After that, what we need to do, guys? We need to click on submit, right? We need to click on submit. Then that pop-up should become with Nageswara name. So what we need to, we are clicking on submit. That means on click. Here we need to write on click. Where? On submit button. On submit button, if I click on click, then what we need to do? We need to call one function. That function name is sample function. I am giving name as sample function. Functions always will be showing like this, open bracket, close bracket. Okay, guys, semicolon. See, I will explain this one. This button is there. If I click on this function, then immediately it will call this function. What function? Sample function. So I will copy this function. This is the JavaScript function. So where I need to write this function? Here in the script tag we need to write. So I will write. What is this, guys? I mentioned, right? Function. So that function name, open bracket, close bracket. Okay. Here I will open this function. I am closing this function here. So whatever I am writing, I keep that code into inside the function. So now, guys, explain. Tell me what will be happen. First, this field will become. This field will come. Then this box will come. I will type some text. After that, I will submit that one. After within the submit click, what will be happen? What will be happen? This function will be called. So in immediately this function will be called. Within the function, what will be happen? This function, this line will be executed. What this line executed? Whatever we are typing the value into this box, that USR box, that value will be assigned to this username. That username will be next. What it will be called? Alert. So it will be alert means it will show the pop-up. This alert will be used to show the pop-up. Within the pop-up, what we need to show? This username. This username means what? Whatever we are entering the value into the that input text field. Okay, guys. Now I will execute this one. Before executing this one, okay. So first I will execute, guys. Okay, I'm refreshing this one. Nageswara ready. Now I'm clicking on submit. What happened, guys? Guys, respond. What happened? Pop-up came. On the pop-up, what it is showing? What it is showing on the pop-up? What username? Whatever the username I have typed in that input field. That username came na? Correct? Correct? This is the next. What is happening? Immediately it will redirect to the sample.html. I have explained already, right? first first what it will be happen, it will call the submit function. Okay. After that, if the submit function successfully executed, then it will goes to the action part. Okay. Okay, guys, clear. This is the sample integration with JavaScript, guys. I hope you guys understood this one. Okay. Yeah, I will explain. I will do some modification and I will explain, guys. What I will do, okay. What I will do modification here. Okay. So here simply I will show like this, right? Simply I will show one input box. After that, I'm typing something name. After that, I'm typing something name and click on that one. One pop-up is coming. So my requirement changed. My requirement changed like how after that until then I will remove this action tag because we are not going to do any action here. So I have removed that one. Okay. So tell me, if I click, I have entered the value 5 and click on submit, then a pop-up will come. So my project manager told that no need to show the pop-up. That value will be show here below. Your entered value is voyage. Like that, he is asking. So that what I need to do? Okay. After this input field, I will take one p tag, and I will close this p tag. Okay. Within the p tag, for this p tag, I need to give one ID. Okay. ID I'm giving some test. This is a test. Okay. So I didn't mention any text here, guys. I didn't write any text. Okay. I didn't write any text. But for what purpose I am taking this p tag means for this p tag it will be it will be after this field already one p tag is there, but actually I didn't write any content, that's why it is showing empty. If I suppose for example I have write only yes here and I am saving and I am refreshing this one, see one yes came right but not required this one. But what purpose I have taken this one, see here in the javascript file. Okay, in the javascript file document 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 dot, okay, get, sorry, tell me, document dot get element b caps y I caps d element by id. What is the id, guys? Here what is the id? Second id, what? test, test, right? So I need to write within the double quotes. So for this one what we are doing, dot inner html document dot get element by id test dot inner html is equal to this username. Okay, this username. I will comment this alert pop-up not required now. So what will happen, guys? Just explain me this one. I have write one pay tag that id. Okay, next what I am doing for this id, I am appending that value whatever I am typing this username. I am just appending means within this p tag that place na, within this p tag place I will show this value whatever I am typing in the input field, that value I will show here. That's why this tag dot inner html means, dot inner html means it will assign that particular value to the that particular tag id value, tag id. See now I will save that one. I am refreshing. So I am typing here Nageswara ready. Now I am click on submit. For text purpose we can apply something like I need content. You have entered username double quotes. See what I am hard coding. Hard coding means within the double quotes I have written that content will be shown there, and this is the variable name, right? And this is the string type, that means within the double quotes, and this is the variable dynamically coming. So to combine both this string type and this variable, I need to mention here plus symbol so that I can add both this text and this dynamic variable. So now we'll try this one. Some random text. Some clicking is showing, right? Some red color it is coming and going. Guys, it is showing, right? Sorry. Yeah. So it is coming and going. Once we have applied this external CSS, I will write that one. For sample purpose, I have shown this one. Okay. Okay. So like that, we can apply the CSS to the HTML part, guys. Okay. Now again, I have write this one. Some files. Okay. Click on this one. Pop-up is coming. Okay. This is the inline JavaScript alignment to the HTML file. So if I want to make it this one as the external JavaScript applying, then what I need to do, guys? Just tell me how we have applied to the CSS part. Same like we can apply to the JavaScript also. How we will just yes, yes. So I just copy this. I just copy this one. Okay. Okay. Within the separate file, we'll title this one. Okay. I'm copying this one. Control N, Control V, Control S. Here I will create HTML JS 2.html. Okay, right? Now I will try this one. I will remove this JavaScript code. Control X, Control N, Control V, Control S. Here what we need to do, same like CSS, we can create one new folder. We can give like here JS. JS means what, guys? JavaScript folder. I am just giving that name. Okay, that for the naming purpose I have created one folder. Within this folder we have saved all the JavaScript related files and all. Okay, some what we will give, some sample dot js. Guys, listen. First, if you are going to save HTML files, that extension should be .html. If you are going to save CSS files, that extension should be .css. If you are going to save JavaScript files, that extension should be .js. Is it clear, guys? Clear?
Okay, sir.
Now I am saving this one. See, sample.js file created, right? Now what we need to do? Now what we need to do? I have separated the JavaScript code to the another file. So that code will be removed from here. Then what we need to do? We need to link that file to the this file, right? Correct. Script type is equal to text slash JavaScript. Next, src is equal to that path. What is the path? I have created one folder, right? JS folder. Within the JS folder, what is the file name? What is the file name, guys? Within the Technosoft. Technosoft, for up to Technosoft, no need to give. For Technosoft only HTML file is there. That's why no need to give the before path. Okay. Now see within the JS folder, sample sample.js. Okay, done. I'm saving the code. Going to the browser, refreshing this one. Click Google Chrome. She came now. Same like here. I'm entering the value. Click on submit. Pop-up came. Correct? Same style and the same coding. We have done only one change. That is, we have separated the JavaScript code into the another file. For what purpose we have separated? To learn about the external JavaScript coding. See, HTML JS2, this one. Username is passed, username is Sita. Got it, guys? It's clear now. So this is the integrating both CSS and JavaScript, guys. To integrate the CSS file, we will use the link tag. To integrate the JavaScript, we will use the script tag. Here, one attribute is relation attribute. Relation is equal style sheet. href reference is equal CSS folder style.css and link tag closing. For JavaScript integration, we need to use script tag. Within the script tag, we have two attributes. One attribute name is type and second attribute name is src. So type is equal text slash JavaScript. src is equal that path where it is located, JS folder sample.js. Clear? Clear, guys? Respond. Guys, respond. No one is responding. Okay, now what we need to do, guys? Yesterday, so from Monday onwards, we will try all these ways, guys. We will try all these ways. Okay, and today I will give you one interesting topic to this page. One topic, last topic. What is that one? Suppose, for example, sometimes in our website, we need to show some Google Maps location. Suppose, for example, we have the college website. For that particular college website, in the below, they will show one Google Map location, particular college location. They will show, right? How they will show? I will show here within that our web page. Okay. So let us assume this is our sample web page. Then how we can write now? Came right. This path came now. So I need to give this website path, this Google Map location path to the my website. How we can give now? See here, we have share is there, right? Click on share. It is showing now. I'm clicking on share. Here embedded map is there, right? Embedded map. I'm clicking on the embedded map. Here one it is showing now medium. Medium is equal to small, medium, large. Small, if I give small, it will be show like this path. If I giving medium, that image will be showing like this within our website. So I will select one small. Okay, after that I'm clicking copy HTML. I'm just copying that one. That's it. Come here, I have pasted cursor here, clicking on simple control V. That's it. That path and see that link, same link, it is copied here, right? Control yes. Control S, where it is we have written HTML js2.html. Okay. This is only right. Guys, see map came or not? Guys, visible map came, right? Like that they will, like that they will integrate the Google Map to their website, college websites, uh, different website. They will apply this Google Map location of particular. I have typed Tirumal Tirupati Devasthanams. If we have any college location, we can take that college location and we can keep here like that. From that one, they can write zooming. Here itself we can do. Okay, view larger map. It will come like this. It will rewrite to the directly Google Maps location. Okay, got it, guys.